I'm Vanessa Joy, and today I'm going to walk you through a natural light portrait shoot. Natural light is just everybody's dream. Beautiful natural light, but there are a lot of different ways to work it. So I'm going to be working it with a Canon R5, an RF 50mm 1.2, and my that's a glass, an RF 50mm 85mm 1.2. So we're gonna just mess around with different natural light techniques. I'm gonna pull a reflector in, just get some gorgeous portraits. So hope you're gonna enjoy this. Do some just not camera aware, just kind of looking out, looking around. Pretty. So just lots of different movement, nice even light. And then back at me. Awesome. I want to just change up the reflector. Love it. Nice. Modeling whatever bottle of champagne that is right now. Hey, do you like what you're watching right now? Let me tell you a secret. It's a little something I call photo insiders. There is so much more to the video that you are watching that I'm not showing you here, and I'm only showing the community at Photo Insiders. Photo Insiders is a photography education community where you can learn behind the scenes of shoots like this one and so much more. Every single month I release a new video that teaches you the ins and outs of things like posing, lighting, flash photography, continuous lighting, and mixing them all together. You will be able to see raw photos that I take along with the settings and watch me troubleshoot my way out of situations. In Photo Insiders, I give you videos in two different formats. Direct education that's long form, about 15 to 20 minutes, so we can really get into the nitty-gritty, or check out the Cliffs Notes version where you will be able to learn the same concept in about half the time. This gives you the ability to learn very detailed information about the photography concept or do a quick review if needed. You'll also be able to watch behind the scenes on location shoots that are happening with real clients, not just models. In addition, every month we'll do live group coaching calls and even a few live shoots. And of course, what would a group like this be without community? The Photo Insiders group gets an exclusive community Discord channel where you will be able to download all of my bonus materials, talk to each other about specific photography concept, and within the community you'll have a place to ask your questions and then we'll answer them in live group coaching calls. Never feel lost or frustrated behind the camera again. Join us at Photo Insiders to confidently create the images that you envision every single time. I'll see you there. So that's it. That is a well-rounded natural light session where we did a whole bunch of stuff, a whole different bunch of light angles, and hope that made sense. If you're watching on YouTube, hit like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment. I'll see you next time.